We're on day 20 of the 90-day action plan so that you can explode your business during the coronavirus situation. We're going to be breaking down what to do for the next 2 weeks. Check this out. Hey everybody, it is Brent Daniels, Mr. TTP, and we are on days 20 through 34. And this is going to be a really simple video because there's 4 main parts, 4 main action items that I want you to implement over the next 2 weeks. We've gone over from days 1 to 20, and if you haven't watched those videos, go back to those and make sure you're doing them in order because they build up in momentum. But now, for the next 2 weeks, we're super focused, right? We read our one thing. We're laser focused on 4 things. And make sure that you are keeping all of your notes in somewhere that you can organize and keep in front of you at all times, because you're going to look at this after this 90-day action plan and you're going to be blown away by how much progress you have made in your business. And that is what it's all about. So let's go with the number 1 thing. If you only do this, you are going to win. And that is, you need to be making calls 1 to 3 hours a day. You need to be cold calling on distressed property owners, okay? Quality conversations with distressed property owners is the foundation of this business. If you just do that, I am telling you, you are going to be doing so much business. It's going to be incredible. But add that to number 2, which is fanatical lead follow-up. Every lead, every time gets followed up. And that means that you are pre-qualifying every single one of these leads every single time. Every conversation goes back to the condition of the house, timeline to sell, motivation to sell, and their price. It's the 4 pillars of pre-qualifying. If you are making sure that you're pre-qualifying and following up with every lead in your pipeline, you are going to be really happy with the results that you're going to get. Number 3 is we have to virtual drive for dollars an hour every single day. We've done a video on it. You can go check it out. It was a couple weeks ago, but you need to sit on your couch and virtually drive for dollars every single day. Basically what that means is you got to get the Deal Machine app. Use the TTP code, you get it for $40 a month. Drive around, follow the instructions in the video, make sure that you are getting the worst houses in your community, in your marketplace, in your city, and keep building that an hour every single day. These are going to be the most likely people that will do business with you. So it's absolutely critical that you keep building it up. That's why I keep talking about it, okay? And the 4th one, and this is so important, we need to start implementing this now. Not only are we going to call these people, not only are we going to have fanatical lead follow-up, not only are we going to build the list of the most distressed property owners in your area, but the 4th one is we need to start implementing text blasting. All right? Listen, on an average, a good contact rate when you're calling is 10 to 12%. Well, what do you do with the other 88 to 90%? We've got to get in front of them. A lot of people won't answer calls that they don't know, so we have to text them so that we can have the opportunity to start a conversation with them. Go to batchleads.io. Batchleads.io. It is they've got an incredible tool for text blasting. And if you use the coupon code TTP, you get it for 500 free texts for $1. I mean, not free text, I guess it's $1. So $1 for 500 texts. So take advantage of that. It's a pay as you go type of thing. It's not anything crazy. So get in there and start testing that today. I'm telling you, we need to get in front of the people that won't answer their phone. So we're calling 1 to 3 hours. We are following up on every single lead and we are pre-qualifying them. We are driving for dollars an hour every single day, and we are text blasting every single day. Just do it in 30-minute little time blocking. Time block 30 minutes. I don't know why that was tough. 30-minute time block where you are texting and responding to people minimum every single day. So test it out. That might only be 10 to 20 texts at a time and get the responses back. You can expect a really good response rate right now, and then you're following up. And as soon as they say yes, they would consider an offer or are thinking about selling their house, you got to get them on the phone right away. That is the secret to text blasting. Get them on the phone right away. That is it, guys. That is for the next 2 weeks. That's what I want you to focus on. Remember, we got to be putting great things in our mind. We need to be reading at least 10 pages of a really good book every single day. When we're in our cars, we do not listen to anything but really great podcasts, the Wholesaling Inc. podcast, or an Audible of really great books. We need to be positive right now. We need to be optimistic. We are coming out of this. I'm telling you, we are crawling our way out of this situation, and we are going to be so far ahead of our competition because we are taking action right now. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. We put out 3 unbelievable videos every single week, starting every Monday with Wholesale Hotline with the top real estate wholesalers around the country and answering your questions. So make sure you like and subscribe. Guys, this for the next 2 weeks, this is your manual. This is what you do. Take action on it. None of this matters unless you're taking action. So get going today. You're the best. I love you. See ya.